लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे। ठीक है, CAD बोलते हैं शॉर्ट में, कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन। तो कंप्यूटर जो है, कंप्यूटर इज प्लेइंग वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन मॉडर्न इरा। आजकल जो भी बनाए जाते हैं ग्राफिक्स वगैरह, या इवन पिक्चर कुछ बनाए, मोशन सिनेमा बनाया जाता है, या कोई साइंस का प्रोजेक्ट बनाया जाता है, तो उसमें हम लोग कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन का हेल्प लेते हैं, है ना। तो काफ़ी आसान भी होता है, कंप्यूटर से जो हम लोग हेल्प लेते हैं डिजाइन क्रिएट करते हैं। इसमें 2-3 एडवांटेज है। पहला तो है कि भाई काफ़ी इजीली ग्राफिक्स के द्वारा बनाया जा सकता है, और उसमें जो भी एडिशन या डिलीशन करना है दैट इज वेरी इजियर। सपोज करो कि तुमको कोई मॉडल बनाने के लिए दिया गया, मॉडल समझते हो ना तुम लोग, मॉडल बनाने को अगर दिया
यस
गया,
सर, यस
हाँ,
सर।
सपोज करो कि
कौन सा
एक
है सर?
मॉडल बनाने को कहा गया कि जैसे आर्मी का कोई ऑपरेशन करना है।
कंप्यूटर।
हाँ, नहीं, मॉडल पहले मिट्टी का ही बनता था, चाहे चाइना मिट्टी का, चाहे कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का, है
बोन
ना।
चाइना का।
हाँ, बोन चाइना का मॉडल बनाया जाता था, अभी भी बनता है, ऐसा नहीं है। तो वो मैनुअल
अब
मेथड हो
आजकल
गया। तो मैनुअल
प्लास्टिक ज्यादा
मेथड,
यूज होता है।
हाँ, मैनुअल मेथड में जो मॉडल अगर हम लोग बनाएंगे, सपोज करो किसी एक मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन का मॉडल बनाने के लिए कहा गया, वो हम लोग बनाए, फिर बाद में कहा गया कि नहीं, दिस इज नॉट गुड, सो यू हैव टू एडिट और चेंज द प्रोग्राम, सो यू देन ऑल ऑफ योर इफोर्ट्स विल गो इन वेन, है ना, सारा इफोर्ट बर्बाद हो जाएगा, तुमको फिर से सारा चीज बनाना पड़ेगा। हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है, and it will take much time and labor as well. But when we will prepare this model with the help of computer, then it will be very much easier to edit. Okay, we can edit it, or we can undo it if some errors occurs. Meanwhile, then we can undo the errors. So preparing any project or preparing any model, a specimen, drama, that is very much easier with the help of computer aided design. So today we will discuss what are the relative advantages of computer aided design and what is computer aided design. So traditionally computer aided design was all sorts of process that include drafting, stress analysis, motion analysis. तो पहले हर एक तरह का जो ऑपरेशन कंप्यूटर से हम लोग करते थे उसको कहा जाता था कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन। लेकिन उसके बाद लास्ट 35 ईयर से कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन सिर्फ स्पेसिफिकली बोला जाता है जो कंप्यूटर से किसी तरह का ग्राफिक्स बनाते हैं या ड्राफ्टिंग करते हैं किसी चीज का, उसी को कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन बोलते हैं। पहले चूंकि हमारा कंप्यूटर काफी रूडिमेंट्री स्टेज में था, ठीक है, उसमें बहुत सारे ग्राफिक्स नहीं थे, तो कंप्यूटर से सपोज करो कुछ हम लोग कुछ लिखते थे, है ना, कुछ डिजाइन तैयार किए, कुछ लिखे, कुछ आर्ट बनाए, तो उसको भी कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन बोला जाता था। लेकिन अब वो ऐसी बात नहीं है। अब जो है कंप्यूटर से जो हम लोग ग्राफिक्स तैयार करते हैं और ड्राफ्टिंग करते हैं उसी को कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन बोला था। दैट मीन्स नाउ द टर्म हैज बिकम मोर स्पेसिफिक। ठीक है, कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन program software is an electronic tool that enables you to make quick and accurate drawings with the use of a computer. So obviously, as the term is there, computer aided design means we prepare the design with the help of a computer.
सर
And what are, हाँ हाँ बोलो।
सर पीपीटी शेयर कर दूं मैं?
हाँ, पीपीटी शेयर कर दें, शेयर किया हुआ है एक बार, बहुत पहले बार
अभी
दिए
सर
थे
अभी
वो।
भी कर दे सर?
स्क्रीन पर करने के लिए बोल
स्क्रीन
रही
पे
है
शेयर
सर।
कर
कर
दे
दो
सर।
कर दो।
स्क्रीन पर
कर
शेयर होता है?
यस सर।
यस सर।
मैं एक्चुअली मोबाइल से हूँ।
मोबाइल से में भी होता है
मोबाइल से
सर।
भी हो जाएगा सर।
सर
मोबाइल से
शेयर
होता है।
नीचे शेयर लिख रहा है ना,
हाँ हाँ ठीक है।
उस पर टच कीजिए
हाँ ठीक है।
और
ऑप्शन
उसके
है
नीचे
स्क्रीन का है।
स्क्रीन
अरे
है।
शेयर,
अस-
अबे शेयर हो
ऐसे
गया,
कर दिए
नेहा रानी शेयर कर चुकी है।
हो गया हो गया।
अच्छा हो गया
सर
है।
के बता दो यार
यस
सर।
यस।
स्क्रीन स्क्रीन शेयर करना पड़ेगा ना इसमें।
यस सर। और फिर वहां के
अरे
बाद
सर,
जो जो
ठीक है
काम
कोई बात
कीजिएगा।
नहीं, किसी एक ने किया ना। हाँ चलो वेरी गुड।
यस सर।
चलो ठीक है। तो यहाँ हम लोग हैं। हाँ तो कंप्यूटर एडेड डिजाइन ड्राइंग्स आर नीट, क्लीन, हाईली प्रेजेंटेबल एंड कैन बी मॉडिफाइड इजीली। तो डिजाइन सपोज करो किसी बिल्डिंग का ही डिजाइन बनाना है, कोई अपार्टमेंट तैयार करना है, कोई बिल्डिंग बनाना है, तो दैट कैन बी। पहले जब कंप्यूटर नहीं था तो कैसे बनता था? मैन्युअली बनाया जाता था, है ना, पेंसिल से, स्केच से, स्केल का मदद से, या जो भी जियोमेट्रिक का जो इक्विपमेंट होता था उसके हेल्प से बनाया जाता था। बट दे वर नॉट सो मच नीट एंड क्लीन, they were not able to be edited very easily, है ना। But whereas computer aided design parts or components can be modeled, visualized, revised, and improved on the computer screen before any engineering drawings has been created. So this is the one of the major advantage of computer aided design, that it can be very easily modeled. Means some, if you need to draw some changes, you can make changes. It can be visualized very easily, means you can see the 3D structure, okay, which is very much you can clearly understood the design, and it can be revised and improved also. Suppose you want to add something in the existing design, then through computer aided design you can edit or add something very easily. That was not easy in the previous one. So now the next one is the part that has been modeled can be assembled with a virtual environment of the computer. So all of you must have heard about the virtual dissection table in the anatomy department. Have you heard that? Do you know this? We have purchased one virtual dissection table.
यस सर।
यस सर।
एनाटॉमी
एनाटो इमेज।
in the anatomy department. So what is this? This is the computer aided design only. Okay. So and you can experience the thing in a real way. You can go on dissecting the one animal. There will be actually no any physical animal, but it will look like virtually. It will look like you are doing or performing surgery or operation on any original animal. So that will be also discussed in the virtual reality also. You have must hear the term VR, virtual reality. So with the help of this computer aided design, we can make any parts very much clear because of the 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional. There are very good techniques has been around nowadays, which makes the things understood very clearly. Partially
आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर।
so all this is done with the help of computer. Suppose you want to learn motor driving, okay, so you have two options. Either you can go to you have to take one 4-wheeler and you have to drive on the road for learning, and another option is that you can learn in the virtual reality environment also. So which will be more good for you, whether to learn on the road directly or on the virtual reality? So it will be more good to do the learning in the virtual reality first, and then you have to experience the learning on road. Okay, that will save you from any kind of accident or any unwanted event. So one more advantage of computer aided design is the part model can be downloaded to a rapid prototyping system. You can download it, you can share it. Okay, you can compare from other things. There are some other important capability, means you can make good presentations, means after the preparing the design, you can insert your design into the PPTs, or you can directly play in the big screen, and it will be very much easier for presentation to group of people. Okay, you can use computer aided program to make on the screen presentations. So apart from presenting to any personal person, you can present it to a number of groups. So there is flexibility in editing. This has been discussed. You can edit very easily. And some other capabilities are units and accuracy level. So you know how much accurate the computer aided designs are there, means the accuracy level is very high, very high. So manually there is a certain limit of accuracy of preparing any design, either for the design of any architecture or building, construction, or anything. But when you will do this with the help of computer graphics, then it will be more accurate. Okay, it will be more precise. So this is the one of the more capability of computer aided design. You can also work with different units of measures, such as architectural units, engineering units, scientific units, and surveyor units. So you can take help of some other units also. There are several existing softwares are there. You can take help of these, and you can make very good design of anything you want to prepare. So storage and access of drawings are also very much easier, you know this. Sharing of computer aided drawings, you can share either through external hard drives or through online sharing is also very much accessible. This is accomplished by connecting different computers via network. You can also publish your drawings on the internet and collaborate computer-related project using a website. So sharing is very much easy, and even you can have a 3D printer also. Have you listen the term 3D printer? Anyone? So in the 3D printer, you will get what you have drawn in your computer, and that can be printed with a 3D printer. And for that you have to add some materials, physical materials, and that will give the exact model of what you have prepared in your project or design. So project reporting, the computer can be used to prepare project reports. Nowadays students from their primary section, they are preparing the computer aided design or reports, project reports with the help of computer. Okay. So engineering analysis is also very much easier with the help of computer aided design. There are some models of computer aided design. It contains all the design information including geometry, dimension, tolerance, materials, and manufacturing information. Computer aided design models replace the paper blueprints and engineering drawings. So in the earlier days, these things was in practice by preparing in manual method. The simplest model used in computer-aided design is a 2D model. Okay. This is model essentially the computer graphics equivalent to an orthographic projection. So 2D model is a simplest method model which is used with the help of computer graphics. But nowadays you can use 3D model also, which is more clear. So a 3D model is the most general model used in computer design software. This model is equivalent to an isometric view. So 3D view will give you more clear information, more clarification of the exact situation or exact what we say project what you have prepared. So two basic types of 3D models are wireframe and surface models. Again, the 3D model has been classified into two types. One is wireframe and surface model. So in the 3D wireframe model, only edges of the objects are represented. Okay. Suppose you want to prepare one design of one building, then only the corners of the building's edges will be reflected in the wireframe model. Whereas in the 3D surface model, all the things, including the edges, surfaces such as plates and cells carved in addition to edges. So all sorts of things will be presented in the 3D surface model. So 3D surface model is the best model, best method to present any graphics or any model. Okay. So we should proceed to our next lecture, that is virtual classroom. So now what we are doing now is just example of virtual classroom. We are attending the classes. We can see each other. Okay. But yet we can, we are situated far apart, and but yet we can conduct one class. So today in this month of April, you know, we are facing one disaster, biological disaster through coronavirus that has compelled us to be isolated. We cannot gather at one place. Okay, social distancing is important. But in that situation also, we can conduct classes with the help of computer and computer-based technology. So a virtual classroom is an online classroom that allows participants to communicate with each other, view presentations or videos, interact with other participants, and engage with resources in work groups. So this is the key component of virtual classroom. It is a non-restricting. Okay, we can allow number of participants. It is affordable, means it is not costly. Everyone can afford it. Nowadays, internet, the price of internet is also has been reduced very much drastically. So it is very much affordable for everyone. Everyone is having a smartphones and personal computers also. Flexible learning is there. Means suppose in the virtual classroom, if anybody is not able to understand, then we can move on to individual discussion also, apart from virtual classroom. Practical and proven, and this has been found very practical nowadays. You know, almost all institutions, they are conducting this virtual classroom. Usually accessibility to everyone in whatever portion you are there in any part from the world, you can go to the virtual classroom. It brings participants together from different geographical location. No expenses for travel, hotel or training facilities. So this is the what we are doing nowadays through video conferencing. Prime Minister is discussing with all the chief ministers of the state, or chief minister is discussing with all the district magistrate of the state. So in this way, it saves the time for travel or stay at the hotel or other training facilities. So what we do in the meeting? In the meeting, we just discuss. We can see each other. Okay, there is eye contact, and we can see the uh, expressions of each participants. Okay, but the same can also be seen in the virtual classroom or video conferencing. So there is interaction between participants and instructor via application sharing, just like you have shared this slide. Okay, so that can be shared in the virtual classroom very easily. Suitable for training, deliverable on short notice. In the very short notice, we can arrange such classrooms, and it encourages social learning also. The sessions can be recorded and used later as a refresher course. So, you know, Neha is recording our lecture, and this lecture will be uploaded into our Basu YouTube channel. Okay, in the you can get the link through our Basu website, and it will be become a permanent classroom material for our newcomers, our students which will join later on in our university. So key features of virtual classroom is that sharing documents is easy, chatting with each other, we can communicate very easily. Annotation means tools that allow for real-time drawing. Hence you can rotate any diagram, picture, okay, on the top of shared documents, whiteboards. It adds visual flair to the screen. Whiteboard, it is similar to classroom whiteboard or flip chart. It's blank screen that can be typed, written, and drawn upon using the programs and annotation tools. So no, nowadays touch screens are there where you can make any drawings, just like your whiteboard or chalkboard in the traditional method. There is a breakout groups. It mimics small groups activities to a face-to-face classroom. So through virtual classroom, we can make a polling, means how many people are agree or how many people are disagree with any idea. That can be done very easily. We can share the application. Suppose any application is there, we can share through virtual classroom. So these are the some of the advantages of virtual classroom. This is mostly similar like the e-learning. Okay. So this is virtual classroom configuration, how it works. Naturally, it works through a satellite medium. Okay. So there should be personal computer or any device which can be in the form of a smartphone or in the form of laptop or personal computer equipped with the webcam, and there is one that is communication is made through online method, and you know how internet works. So for that, geostationary satellite is required, which connects to the different parts of the computer all over the world. So this is a picture where students are learning through virtual classroom. You can see the diagram, the virtual classroom. So these are the examples of some of the most used virtual classroom tools: HP Virtual Classroom, Blackboard, Collaborate, Horizon, Vimba, IBM, Lotus. So now, just now we are using the virtual classroom tool, that is Zoom application. Do you know this Zoom application? Uh, although it is one advantage is that it is free of cost, but there are certain disadvantages also. You might be knowing, many people are suggesting that we should shift to some other application. Okay, so these are the some most commonly used virtual classroom tools. Google Hangout is one of the also them. So this is all for today. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the virtual reality. Okay, VR. So that has been so today now conclude our lecture about the virtual computer aided design and virtual classroom we have discussed today, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the virtual reality. Okay, is there any question or any doubt? You can ask. क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there is no question, then we should end the session.
Yes, sir. ठीक है, sir.
We can
Thank
end
you,
this
sir.
session.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.